Hello and welcome to RatGate. Today we'd like to show you how simple it is to install one of our devices. The tools that you'll require for this is a masonry drill and bit along with a Phillips screwdriver. The RatGate comes in three different sizes: 4-inch, 6-inch and 9-inch. Today we're going to be fitting the 4-inch RatGate. In the box you'll find some gloves, the instructions, the safety stroke release cable, information tag, screw, washer and raw plug, cable tie and RatGate. On this occasion we're going to show you how to fit the RatGate to the downstream side of the manhole. Firstly, take the safety cum release cable and attach it to the front of the RatGate flap. Then take the cable and feed it to the rear of the RatGate. Once at the rear, thread back up through the rear eye of the RatGate. This then will allow you to open the flap. The reason for this is that should you have to use any cameras or inspection material, it gives you that facility without removing the RatGate. If you're fitting the RatGate to the upstream, it's exactly the same procedure, but instead of going to the rear of the RatGate, you come straight up to the eye at the front of the RatGate, again allowing you to lift the RatGate up. To make installation more simple, attach the cable tie to the rear of the RatGate, pulling it tight. This will reduce the size of the RatGate. The RatGate is spring loaded. Once the RatGate is in position within the pipe, cut the cable tie and the RatGate will expand into position within the pipe firmly. The next procedure is to drill a hole in the top of the manhole to attach the information tag. The information tag is installed at the top of the manhole with the safety cum release cable attached to it. Should you in the future need to access the pipe, simply pull the cable which will raise the flap. As you can see, when the drain is in operation, the water and the waste flows very freely through the gate. Alternatively, there is another method of fitting the RatGate. You can purchase the RatGate installation stroke release rod, which extends to a depth of 2 meters. Once the cable is fixed to the RatGate, place the RatGate between the jaws of the device. Then turn the pole clockwise. This will tighten the RatGate into the device. Once the RatGate is securely attached to the device, lower into the manhole and place into the drain. Once in position, turn the rod anti-clockwise to release. To remove the RatGate, place the device onto the gate itself, turn the rod clockwise. Once the device is securely attached, remove the RatGate. Should you require any further information for the RatGate products, please go to our website, ratgate.co.uk. Thank you for watching.